Brian. All right. I was gonna say that's why you recognize me. I look just like him.
I'm like,
that's
I know you.
That's awesome. You getting a shot of the setup?
Yep.
It's the snow to shield the wind.
Yeah, it was really windy.
Okay, so is there soup in the soup can?
Yeah. Well, it's chicken broth.
Full can of chicken broth, which is our accelerant basically. When that goes under the oil and boils, it explodes, and then immediately turns into steam and throws all that oil up in the air.
Does this all get destroyed?
No, it mostly goes up. It melted a little bit of our snow before, but not bad.
Under the snow, we buried it.
Okay. Yeah, the propane's all underneath the snow.
Well, it was buried last time too.
Yeah, that's gonna take a little while to boil out.
Yeah. Well.
That's like 16 ounces of energy drink. It smells like energy drink.
Hey.
It's smoking good. We're like about 20 degrees from flash now. 660.
What kind of oil did you use? Just
canola.
I'd say we're about ready for flames.
Yeah, that sound we heard earlier was just the snow boiling in it, because it's not.
Yep. No, it's not
near as violent as it was. It was snowing.
We can hear it from the house.
Oh, there we go. We got blast.
Okay, so that's all it takes now. You push the button and kaboom.
Yep. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh.
That's good. It's okay.
I love the anticipation.
Yeah.
No, it'll go.
A whole gallon of oil in there.
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh!
That was like
that was by far the best.
Yeah, that probably is 50 feet.
I bet it is.